Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming. We have Ipsy. Ipsy has just increased their prices. I guess there's a handling fee. I don't have the exact amounts, but if you go over to ipsy.com, you can check it out. Typically this bag is $13. If they're gonna start adding fees, might bring it up to about 15. So you'll have to let me know if this is still worth it. It was totally worth it when it was $12. All right, it's June. Summer's here, right? June 21st, first day of official summer. If it's not hot enough already in Florida, it'll be hot enough in your area pretty soon. So let's jump into this bag, right? And if you're new here and you like makeup, skincare, lifestyle, all kinds of things, including unboxings, giveaways, eyeshadow tutorials, I mean, we talk about and do a lot of everything on this channel. So let's get into this bag. June. All right, so it's totally giving me like, this belongs in my Trapper Keeper. I'm so old, right? Trapper Keeper. Feels like a pencil bag. Let's get a close up. You can kind of see the holes in there. So also giving me like Lego vibes. I don't know. I do like the hot colors. And here is the Ipsy tassel. Looks like an orange slice. And that's super cute. So let's see if the card that we got for June actually gives us some details. And I'll tell you my choice. Oh, I forgot to do my choice item this month. It happens every other month. Stock up for summer, red, white, and beauty sale, June 26th to July 5th. Nice. Show your colors. That's the name of the game. And we have pricing. Okay, warm weather, no problem. Your 5 products valued at 50 bucks are very cool. All right, so let's see what we got. First off is a mini palette. It's very neutral. Let's see if I can do this. All right, okay, we got 3 shimmers. This is like an emerald, your nice inner corner, outer corner color, inner corner, and you know, play up some colors. All right, who's this by? This is by, I don't know. Let's check. Beauty Vault eyeshadow quad in Smoky. It says it's a full size, $18. Okay. Anybody? Well, I mean, it's pretty. It's different. Not bad. I would never spend $18 on that. Okay, 5-star soft matte concealer, 5 mLs from Pink Lips. I love the stars and the gold, honestly. And this is sealed. And here we are. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size would be $22. This is Sociable Like Gemini, 5-star concealer. All right, let's see what color we got. I like my one-handed approach. We do this a lot in nursing, so. Bah! All right, so let's pop the cap here. Come on, pop, pop. Okay, what color do we got? Wow, this is so not full. Okay, there we go. So this is the color. Okay. I mean, it's a little light. Just a little. Okay. Just a little. I can use this as an eyeshadow base though, for sure. It's not terrible. It's just not my summer color. Maybe my winter color. All right, so that would have been $22 full size. Okay, it says concealing dark circles, buildable, soft matte. All right, what's next? Ooh, my favorite mascara ever. Tarte Man-Eater. I love, love, love this mascara. This is like one of the first ones I've ever tried, like outside of drugstore. So Man-Eater mascara, that's what the wand looks like. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Okay. It's Betty Tiny. I like it. Jet Black Formula Deluxe Sample, full size would be $24. That is great. This goes wonderfully in my purse. And I actually have one that I should throw out. So let me show you the wand. Oh, I am really doing some numbers here. There's the wand. See those super tiny bristles? I love it. I love it. It gets all the tiny little eyelashes in the inner corner, the outer corner. So that just made my bag. And then, oh. All right, we have Tatcha. Oh, I love their packaging. Indigo Overnight Repair. Okay, we gotta be careful because I'm not sure if it has a seal. But Tatcha is very expensive. So that's what it looks like. Let's give it a sniff. No heavy scent, which is another thing that I really love about Tatcha. Still one-handed. Okay. Tatcha Indigo Overnight Cream. Deluxe sample. $88. Whew. Okay, so it says it's ideal for dry, sensitive skin. So I wouldn't use this if you have oily skin. The last item was stuck to the bag. It is a brush by Lush. And I do not have this one because it's gray, but this is a tapered blending brush. I like their brushes. Let me just show you what the brush looks like. Gets right into that crease. Super awesome. Okay, so those are our items for Ipsy June in our bag. We got eyeshadow palette, a little eyeshadow brush, some concealer, mascara, and an overnight cream by Tatcha. All right. I could have did a whole look like with just these 4 items. Honestly, this goes on at night. I will be using that soon. Okay, guys, if you love this video, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell. Make it turn gray, black, whatever, so that you get notified every time I go live. Or I do a great unboxing or whatever is going on in the channel. You'll be there, okay? Stay safe, guys, and I will see you on the next one.